Alessia and Moses have spent over 10 wonderful years together, forming a strong and unique connection that has led them to this moment in time. Now, these two may be becoming husband and wife today, but there are two titles that they have already carried mighty proudly and with so much love already. And that is mum and dad. As most of you know, Alessia and Moses have three beautiful children, Talia, Xavier, and Zaria. Your parents love you three so very much and are so happy that you are in their lives.
Lost in the evening rain.
I, Moses, take you, Alessia, to be my wife. I pledge to share my life with you. I want to offer you my strength, my weaknesses, my support, my loyalty, my faith, for as long as we both shall live. You're the one I want to live my life with. Laugh and dream with. I promise to love you, cherish and respect you throughout our lives together.
Safe place for me to remember all.
Moses, the love that we share is something truly special. There isn't a day that goes by where I don't feel like the luckiest girl in the world to be by your side. You make me happier than I could ever have imagined, and more loved than I ever thought possible.
It's ironic to think, Alessia, that we are much more blessed to have someone as special as you to call our daughter Mum. In fact, it's pretty true to say, regardless of Moses, Alessia, Jill and I, Chardon, Amelia, Arlo, Rihanna, Travis, Little Oakley, Dokley, and Chanel, we're always going to marry you first anyway, before Moses.
Moses, you make my daughter so happy. You are the most amazing father and partner. We today, as a family, are proud to have you officially join our tribe.
It is with great pleasure to pronounce you as husband and wife. Moses, you may now kiss your bride.
My beautiful wife, my love, my forever and more. I've waited for this day to say this to you. I'm the luckiest man in the world.